Yeah, as you can see, it says DOS attack, Smurf attack packets in the last 20 seconds from IP, August 12th, 2013, 1442 47. And it means we just played them. DOS attack. You look at their IP 178 206 94 255. August 12th, 2013, 1442 47. Alright. I'm going to my friends. Yeah, I'm getting these kids banned for life, bro. Fuck that. You're not flooding me no more, bro. John T. Pro. You see? 455, and now I was at 447. And then the other guy deleted me. Alright. So, I'll show you guys again. DOS attack, Smurf attack package, yeah. August 12th. At 4 o'clock. I mean, actually, yeah, 4 o'clock. So, yeah. 178 206 94255.